Hello and welcome to e-commerce for beginners. Today, we have an exciting topic for those of you who are new to the world of e-commerce. In today's video, we'll be covering the essentials of e-commerce for beginners, whether you're looking to sell handmade crafts, digital products, or even start dropshipping. This video is for you. So, let's dive right in. To start off, let's clarify what e-commerce is. E-commerce, or electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It's a booming industry with endless possibilities for entrepreneurs. The first step in your e-commerce journey is choosing your niche. This is the specific market or industry you'll be targeting. It's crucial to select a niche you're passionate about or have expertise in. This will make the entire process more enjoyable and sustainable. Once you have your niche, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy for beginners to create their storefronts. Choose a platform that aligns with your business needs and start customizing your store. Now comes the exciting part, selecting and sourcing your products. Whether you're creating your own or utilizing dropshipping, ensure that your products are high quality and meet the needs of your target audience. Building a brand is essential for long-term success. Create a memorable logo, choose a cohesive color scheme, and develop a unique brand voice. Consistency across your website and marketing materials will help establish trust with your customers. Now that your store is set up, it's time to drive traffic and make sales. Utilize digital marketing strategies such as social media marketing, email campaigns, and search engine optimization, SEO, to reach your target audience and increase brand awareness. Customer service is the backbone of any successful e-commerce business. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address concerns, and provide an exceptional buying experience. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your store to others. Let me give you a quick example. I have a dog and I want to sell pet products. I'm going to go on Shopify and set up a store. I am going to select products to sell like dog bowls, collars, toys, and beds. Then I am going to create a brand, creating a unique theme for my store with my dog as the logo. Let's market our store. Let's make videos of my dog with our products. And let's make a promotion to bring in our first customers. Don't forget to answer questions customers have about products and orders. There we go, a brand new store. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to e-commerce. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and dedication. Stay committed to your goals, adapt to market trends, and continuously optimize your strategies. If you have a specific question about e-commerce, put it in the comments below and I can answer it for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and e-commerce. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your e-commerce journey. Until next time, happy selling.